Well, we're on our way, JJ Railfans, we're on their way to do a chain chase today. Pick up Joel's sister from Drama, and while we're on our way to pick her up, we got to the rail crossing, and boom! We caught this train. So we're already successful on our in the first 2 minutes of our day. We're excited that we're getting to see this. What kind of things are going by, Joel? Auto wrecks. What kind of train is it, Joel? It's a Norfolk Southern. And how many engines were on it? How many? Just one engine in the front? Crazy. Fans before you leave?
Wish us luck.
All right, that was pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Good day so far. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.